Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Irina, and in this video I will show you how to integrate your Zanda account with your Outlook calendar. This integration is an amazing tool if you want also to see the events that have been created in your Zanda account being automatically populated to your Outlook calendar. This integration is seamless, and the new events and changes to your Zanda appointments will show in your Outlook calendar within the next 10 minutes. You will also be able to connect multiple Zanda accounts to the same Outlook calendar if this is necessary, and if, for example, a team member should be monitoring all the appointments that are created in Zanda in one Outlook calendar, or if this Outlook calendar is shared between other team members in your account. So let me show you how this integration can be set up. Each calendar in Zanda can be integrated with one or Each calendar in Zanda can be synced to an Outlook calendar. Let me show you how this is done. The best way is when you are logged in as a practitioner, you need to access your calendar settings. This is done through this menu here at the top right. So click on the business name of your account, and your user profile, user menu will open, and here you need to select practitioner profile. You will be taken over to your practitioner profile settings, and here on the practitioner menu, let us select calendar sync and then select Outlook calendar. All you need to do is just to click this connect to Outlook button, and if this is the first time you are connecting, the system may ask you to authenticate and enter your Outlook login details. And that's it. Once the authentication is processed, you will see that your Zanda calendar is synced with your Outlook calendar. If you don't have access to your practitioner menu through the user menu here at the top, there are two other options you can go about. So if you as a user have access to the settings menu, you can access your practitioner's profile through this team category and clicking on practitioner and then selecting your practitioner profile. If you are a practice manager and you don't want to allow your practitioners to have access to the whole settings menu, there is another way that you can allow the practitioners to access their practitioner settings. In that case, what you need to do is to go back to the settings menu. In the team category, let's select users. And in this smaller menu, let's select user settings. And what you need to do is enable this top switch, allow users to access their default practitioner profile. Just this switch at the top will be enough for the practitioner to access their practitioner profile settings and connect to their Outlook calendar. We have split this permission into two more granular options. You can also allow users to edit their availability for their practitioner profile, and also edit the available services for the online bookings for their default practitioner profile. So it's up to you, but just this top switch at the top will be quite enough for your practitioners to work on syncing their calendar in Zanda to their Outlook calendar. Wonderful. So now we are back in the practitioner settings, and we have established the connection between their Zanda calendar and Outlook calendar. Just a few tips and useful information for you. So when the initial synchronization is happening, Zanda will send your appointments that were created in the prior 7 days, so appointments with the appointment date within the prior 7 days period, and all the future dated appointments to the Outlook calendar that has been connected to this practitioner's calendar. This initial process may take up to 20 minutes, depending on the number of appointments that need to be synchronized. So please give the system some time to process through this update. And once the initial connection has been processed, all the new appointments or updates to the existing appointments with a future date will be synchronized with the Outlook calendar within 10 minutes of when this activity happened in Zanda. And while we're here, let me remind you that multiple Zanda practitioner calendars can be synchronized with the same Outlook calendar. So the only thing to do is to just use the same login credentials when the connection is happening. And also each practitioner calendar in Zanda can be linked to a separate Outlook calendar, depending on what the requirement for your business process is. Anytime that you decide to stop this integration, to stop sending your appointments and appointment changes from Zanda to Outlook, you just need to go to the practitioner settings, Outlook calendar settings, and you have two options. The first option is to delete calendar in Outlook. So if you click this button, please read carefully this note that informs you what will happen, and basically this will permanently delete calendar from the linked Outlook account, and this will not affect any appointments in Zanda. So all your Zanda information and data will stay the same, but it will be removing the calendar and all the appointments from the Outlook account. So that's one option. Another option is to revoke calendar credentials. In this case, this will revoke the connection, but all the information that has already been transferred to the Outlook calendar will stay there. It won't be deleted. So all the information in Zanda will stay the same, and all the information that has been already sent to Outlook will stay the same. But once you've processed the revoking the calendar credentials, the sync will stop, and any new changes made in Zanda after that won't be sent to the Outlook calendar. And anytime that you have disconnected or deleted the Outlook calendar, you will be able to reconnect another time. And now we are looking at the Outlook calendar, and so that we can see what is actually has been synced from a Zanda account. So first of all, here on the left-hand side, make sure that you have selected the calendar that was created by Zanda. It will have the practitioner name and the word Zanda to show what kind of calendar this is. And if you have it selected like I have here, you will see this practitioner's appointment on the calendar. So if this is your Zanda account and you are in your Outlook calendar, you will see your appointments here. Let me also show you what they look like and what information you will see on these appointments. So the first one here at the top is the client individual appointment, and what you will see their first and last name and the status of the appointment. So PND, for example, is pending. You will also see the date and the start and end time of the appointment, and you will be able to make an edit to this entry, but you will only be making edit to your Outlook calendar. Please be mindful about that. And you will also be able to delete this event here in your Outlook calendar. This will not affect your Zanda records. Please be mindful that the sync works only one way, so whatever changes you made in Zanda will appear here in your Outlook calendar. But if you are making any changes to the events that have been synced from Zanda, those changes won't be synced back. The next type of the appointments that have been synchronized, for example, this one is a it's a personal appointment. So whenever you create a personal appointment for your own events, team meetings, lunch breaks, and so on, they will also be transferred to the Outlook calendar that is synced, and you will see the title of the personal appointment and basically what type of appointment this is, and also the date and start and end time. And another option that you will see here, for example, these multiple entries in the same time block is one group appointment. So here you will see that this is the name of the group appointment that you have created. This is the type of the appointment group. It also shows the start time of the appointment, the date of the appointment. And also each participant of the group appointment will be shown as a separate entry in the Outlook calendar. And again, you will see the full name of the participant and the status of their appointment. So for example, here you can see that one client has the pending status, another one has confirmed, and this one has rescheduled. So this way you will see the changes to the participants' information, and you will have one entry to show you that this is the group appointment. So that's it, very simple. Also, if you decided to sync multiple Zanda calendars to the same Outlook calendar, so this is the team calendar, you can also enable and show other practitioner calendars. Let me move that up. All right. So you can also select and sync the other practitioner calendars here in Outlook, and now you will see appointments synchronized for 2 different practitioners from a Zanda account. That's all for today. I hope you found this information helpful and you will enjoy using this integration. I will see you another time.